Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards Secured Credit Card, an excellent option for those looking to build or rebuild credit while still earning cashback rewards. If you're looking for a secured card with simple, straightforward rewards and no annual fee, this might be the perfect choice. We'll go over the pros, the cons, and I'll give you my final rating out of 10 at the end. Let's get into it. Advantages. First, good point. 1.5% unlimited cash back on all purchases. The key feature of the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards Secured Credit Card is earning 1.5% cash back on all purchases, with no spending categories to track. This makes it a simple way to earn rewards on everything you buy, whether it's groceries, gas, dining, or everyday essentials. Second good point, no annual fee. The card has no annual fee, which is perfect for anyone looking to build or rebuild credit without worrying about added costs. This is especially beneficial for those starting out on their credit journey who want to avoid unnecessary fees. Third good point, build or rebuild your credit. Since this is a secured card, you'll need to make a security deposit, starting at $300, that acts as your credit limit. As you use the card responsibly and pay your bill on time, you can establish or rebuild your credit score. Over time, this can help you qualify for unsecured cards and better financial products. Fourth good point, flexible redemption options. The cashback you earn can be redeemed as a statement credit, direct deposit into a Bank of America checking or savings account, or even into an eligible Merrill investment account. This gives you flexibility in how you use your rewards. Fifth good point, potential to graduate to an unsecured card. After demonstrating responsible credit use, Bank of America may graduate you to an unsecured card and return your deposit. This is a great long-term benefit for anyone looking to move up from a secured card to better rewards cards. Sixth good point, access to Bank of America Preferred Rewards. If you become part of Bank of America's Preferred Rewards program, you can boost your cash back by 25% to 75%, which means your 1.5% cash back could increase to 2.62% depending on your tier. This is a future benefit that adds more value as your financial portfolio grows. Disadvantages. First downside, requires a security deposit. As with any secured card, you'll need to make an upfront security deposit, starting at $300, which acts as your credit limit. While this is necessary to build or rebuild credit, it may feel like a drawback if you're not ready to lock in that money. Second downside, no bonus categories. Unlike some other secured or cashback cards, this card doesn't offer higher cashback rates in specific categories like dining or groceries. While the 1.5% cashback on all purchases is solid, you won't be able to maximize rewards in certain spending areas. Third downside, foreign transaction fees. The card charges a 3% foreign transaction fee, making it less ideal for those who frequently travel abroad or make purchases in foreign currencies. If you're a frequent traveler, this fee could add up. Final rating. So, is the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards Secured Credit Card worth it? If you're looking to build or rebuild credit while earning 1.5% cash back on all your purchases, this card offers a great balance between credit building and rewards. With no annual fee and the ability to graduate to an unsecured card, it's a solid choice for anyone starting their credit journey. However, the required security deposit and lack of bonus categories may limit its appeal for those looking for more rewards opportunities. Overall, I'd give this card a 7.8 out of 10. It's a strong credit building tool with good rewards, but it could be more versatile.